Hey guys, today I'm checking out this smart wireless HD camera that I received recently for reviewing purposes. When I open it up, I first find the main unit that comes in this bag. Okay, as you can see, it's quite small, and I think that it's really nice. It starts with a USB Type-C charging cable in this space, and it comes with a memory card. Okay, it's a SD card that you can insert. You can change it in case that you need it. If you want a bigger one, you can do it. Okay, this is the main unit. As you can see, it's quite small, which I think that it's really nice. I'm gonna place it right here. Let's see what else comes inside. Okay, we have on this other side the user manual, the only important information about it, how to use it, all the accessories that comes included, and how to download and use the application, which I think that it's really nice. You can connect this camera upon an application, that way you can be recording all of the footage, download it upon your cell phone without any hassle or having to connect it to a computer, which I think that it's really nice, making it really easy. And let's see what else comes inside. Okay, lastly, we have in here the rest of the accessories. Yep, we got a USB-A memory card adapter in case that if we want to use it with different kinds of memory cards. Okay, we have a pair of screws and bases so we can install it upon a wall if we need it. Okay, we have this base. It comes with some holes or a double-sided tape that we can use, which I think that it's nice. We have this USB-A to Type-C charging cable, and lastly, which I think that it's really nice, it's a base for the camera. Okay, that way we can place it like this, and we can use this base and the double-sided tape, or we can place it upon a tripod stand, whatever we need, depending of the situation that we are in. It's what we are gonna use, which I think that it's really nice. Okay, you can adjust it, set it up however you need it. Okay, this way you have it ready and just emit like this, which I think that it's really nice. So right now I'm gonna download the application, make the account, and I'm gonna set it up ready, and I'll be checking it out. Let's see how it looks and how it works. Okay, let's go. So at first glance, we can see that it's a compact but powerful camera that is designed to keep your home, your office, or your loved ones and pets checked. And I think that it's nice because it comes with a base that you can use it with different kind of tripod stands or place it up on the wall, making it perfect to place it wherever you need it. And despite its small size, it's packed with a lot of advanced features that I think that are really versatile and helpful. The mini camera can record in a really nice quality, and it delivers a sharp and clear footage both on day and night. It comes with a enhanced infrared night vision, so that way you can see everything clearly, even in low light or in complete darkness ambience. It's also equipped with a smart motion detection, and that way it instantly alerts you on your phone when it detects any kind of movement. That way you will know what's happening in real time always. And it has built-in Wi-Fi system, so you can connect it to a free application, so you can view live footage, have any control settings, or review the recordings remotely. It doesn't need any kind of complicated setup. It's just really easy and reliable monitoring, and it supports continuous loop recording, also working with micro SD cards for storage, and that way you can capture, save the moments that most matter, and without having to worry about running out of space, which I think that it's really great. Overall, it's quite versatile, and it makes it more than just a security camera. You can use it for home checking, as I've said, monitoring your kids, pets, or even as an emergency recording device when you are on the go. As it's small, you can take it with you wherever you need it, and it offers a lot of features in a really small package. It can have a really nice recording with a night vision, any kind of motion alert, and through the Wi-Fi app control we can see any kind of different settings that we can do, which I think that it's perfect. It's a compact and a reliable solution for keeping what matters most checked all the time. And overall, I think that it's a really nice device that you can use it, as I've said, in different kind of spaces. You can take it with you, as it is battery charged. You can just have it around and just plug it in when it's needed, which I think that it's great. And overall, because of its size, its convenience, its different functions that it has are quite nice. and I think that it's perfect to use it, as I've said, whenever you need it. I think it's great, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.